Hey Cakenistas, it is Marisha and today we are going to make some fudgy, McNudgy, grungy frosting. We have all of our ingredients here. We're going to do 3 cups of powdered sugar, 2/3 cup of cocoa powder. This is 100% cacao, naturally unsweetened, so don't get sweetened cocoa powder. We're going to use a 1/3 cup of, I like half and half because I'm extra, if you haven't noticed. And then we have some vanilla extract. This is vanilla extract that I make myself. And then also 1 stick of butter, which I still have in the wrapper. My pot is already nice and hot. Drop it like it's hot. Gonna put that in there. Gonna melt that all the way down. Now I do have a chocolate frosting already on my channel and the recipe is on the site as well, MarishasCoutureCakes.com, but that one does not call for cooking. We add the cocoa powder in that chocolate frosting just like we do the confectioner sugar. We just add it and then we whip. That's more so like a regular chocolate frosting, okay, where the cocoa powder is not bloomed. This recipe is a fudgy frosting, and in this one the cocoa powder is bloomed. So that is why we are melting our butter and we're going to add our cocoa powder. Now what blooming does, it brings out the rich flavor from the cocoa and that gorgeous cocoa color. You're going to smell the difference. It brings out that beautiful aroma, and you can bloom with coffee, hot water, melted butter, cream or milk, whatever is hot, okay? Just drop it like it's hot. So one other thing that does bring out a good rich chocolate flavor is coffee. I have some instant coffee powder here. This is specifically for my chocolate cakes. I'm going to add about a ½ teaspoon to that. That's more like a 1/4 teaspoon. You won't really taste it. You're going to sense that there's just more of a rich chocolatey flavor. Kind of like what salt does. Or vanilla. It's a flavor enhancer for chocolate. At this point I can add in my cocoa powder. So I turned my heat off already. It's still going, but the heat is off. Fried cocoa. Now look how gorgeous. And this is where that color comes from. Okay. That's it. Oh my goodness. Cocoa powder is so messy. You guys, this smells so good. Oh my goodness gracious. Okay, I'm gonna remove this from the heat because obviously it is still super duper duper hot. And of course you don't want to burn your chocolate. You're just blooming it. I've even made chocolate ganache this way. You can make chocolate ganache with cocoa powder if you don't have actual chocolate bars or whole solid chocolate. You can use cocoa powder and heavy cream, bloom it, and then cool it. You can add a little bit of sugar in there as well. So I'm going to begin whipping this up, and that will speed the cooling process. Look how shiny and glossy. And now I'm going to add in my vanilla extract. This is vanilla bean extract. There's all these gorgeous beans in there. I have teaspoon, so a teaspoon. It's up to you. I'm leaving that up to you. And some people say vanilla in chocolate. What? Yeah, you must. I'm going to begin adding in my powdered sugar. Going to do about a cup at a time. And I'm going to alternate between my sugar and my half and half. It's just so rich looking. I love it. Half of my half and half. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. You can already see what's going on here. You can already see this miracle. This is a Christmas miracle. Just dive into the bowl with me. Some more powdered sugar. We've almost got like a truffle consistency, a consistency that you can actually roll and make chocolate truffles out of, chocolate ganache truffles. I'm gonna add in the rest of my milk. And once again, super glossy, shiny, rich, and decadent. So now we're gonna add in the last bit of confectioner's sugar. And if you have to add in more milk, you can. And that's why I'm showing you guys the steps in between so that you know what you're looking for. You don't want it to be too dry, and you don't want it to be too wet. And this makes about 2 cups of frosting in total. You can stop here if this is what you're going for. However, I'm going for fudgy. So I have here 1 tablespoon of heavy cream. See where we are? Super chocolatey frosting. I want you guys to keep in mind, a recipe is just a guide, especially when it comes to frosting, you guys, because we all make different cakes. We all look for different consistencies. So now I'm going to make this a little bit fudgier for what I need it for, my Ferrero Rocher cupcakes. I am making some chocolate ganache the same way that I did the butter and the cocoa powder. Okay. Into my frosting. Baking is science, and science is experimentation. So please don't be afraid to make mistakes. Don't be afraid to play around with food. You know, that's what we do. Oh my gosh, yes. See, it's just a little fudgier, just a little softer. See that? And it's going to pipe beautifully because you can see those peaks. Pipe test. Let's see what we are working with. Ooh, ooh la la. I didn't even want to finish. Hold on, let's get a close up. Oh la la. Oh la la. I hope this video helps some of you all out. Let me know what frosting you would like to see next and leave a comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and follow me on social media. See y'all in the next video. Bye, Cake Nieces.